Welcome to Workday! This video demonstrates how to enter and submit work time. To access the calendar, click the Time worklet. You can use this worklet to check in or out, or you can select a week and open the calendar. Let's select a previous week and click OK to view some time entries in the calendar. Once you're on the calendar page, you can navigate between the weeks by using the left and right arrows. Or you can use the diamond button to jump to today's date. The Enter Time drop-down menu provides options to efficiently add or remove time in the calendar. You can use the autofill features to copy time from the prior periods, or use the Quick Add feature to add multiple time blocks to the calendar. Depending on how your time tracking administrator has configured your time entry calendar, you may have other options for entering time. Let's add a time block to this week. In this example, some time blocks for the week have been entered previously. We'll go ahead and click into an hour segment, and then click Enter Time to create a time slot. The time type has defaulted in. You can select a different time type by clicking the prompt icon. We will enter an in and out time, and verify or change the reason for checking out. You can include any additional information, such as cost center and division, and then click OK. Once you have completed your time entries, click the Submit This Week button. Depending on your company's business processes, you may need to confirm your submission and manager approvals may be required. Click Submit. The next steps of the business process can be found on the confirmation page. Click the Details and Process drop-down arrow, then click the Process tab. You can return to your time entry calendar by clicking Done. Once your time has been submitted, you will notice the gray check marks in the time blocks showing that the time has been submitted but is not yet approved. The check marks will turn green once the manager has approved the time entry. The Submit This Week button is no longer available once the time has been submitted. The information icon offers additional details on your time entries. Here, you can view the status of submission and approval for the time blocks. The Reported tab shows the information you have submitted. The Calculated tab shows any calculations that are run behind the scenes that would categorize your time as regular, overtime, double time, and so on. The History tab shows you the date and time the time block was entered or modified, and by whom. It also shows the status of the change, the quantity, and the time type. This concludes the demonstration. Thank you for using Workday.